281 people are already testing Kimi K3, the latest AI release that's blowing up on Hacker News, with over 155 comments pouring in just hours after launch. This is a massive deal because Kimi K3 is being touted as a game changer in the world of AI development, with many experts predicting it will revolutionize the way we interact with artificial intelligence. So, what makes Kimi K3 so special? According to the developers, it's the ability to learn and adapt at an unprecedented scale, making it a potential powerhouse for applications ranging from customer service to healthcare. As the AI community continues to buzz about Kimi K3, it's also worth noting that this launch is a prime example of how quickly the landscape of AI development is evolving. Speaking of which, if you're a developer looking to get into the world of data tools, there's a fantastic guide making the rounds on Hacker News that's definitely worth checking out. This comprehensive guide to the data tools landscape for developers is a must-read, covering everything from data visualization to storage solutions. It's a dense but informative piece that's already generating a lot of interest, with 23 points and counting on Hacker News. Moving on to some other news, if you're a fan of nostalgic tech, you'll love the fact that Microsoft Comic Chat is now open source. This means that developers can dive in and start playing around with the code, potentially leading to some fascinating new projects and applications. For those who may not remember, Microsoft Comic Chat was a pioneering chat platform that used comic book-style avatars and environments to facilitate online conversations. It may seem outdated now, but it was a bold experiment in its time, and its open sourcing could lead to some innovative creations. On a related note, the world of gaming is also abuzz with the upcoming launch of Splatoon Raiders, which is just around the corner on July 23rd. If you're planning on pre-ordering the physical version, be aware that time's running out to save $10. Walmart is currently offering the game at a discounted price, but this deal won't last forever. Meanwhile, if you're feeling adventurous, you could try training a Gen AI kick drum model on your old Linux desktop, thanks to a new tutorial that's been making waves on Hacker News. With just 6 GB of VRAM required, this is a surprisingly accessible project that could be a fun way to get started with AI development. As we wrap up today's episode, don't forget to tune in tomorrow when we'll be exploring the latest developments in the world of virtual reality, and find out why one major VR company is on the verge of a groundbreaking announcement that could change everything.